Hello everyone. The trial within a trial of Mngomezulu is continuing at High Court in Pretoria. Advocate Mngomezulu is holding them by balls Ziyakhala Geninda. Advocate Mngomezulu, who's representing accused number 1 and 2, told Baloyi that that is not the evidence of accused number 2 because accused number 2's version was not involving Brigadier in the filling station. Baloyi rephrased his question and said they stopped at a place where there was a filling station and the accused was assaulted, and from there they proceeded to a still place at an industrial area where he was further assaulted. Geninda and Sergeant Mohane, who's the witness, then appeared in that place. Advocate Mngomezulu also clarified in court that this is not the version of accused number 2 and said in terms of the 18th of June, where the witness was led immediately after they departed from Carltonville, Judge Ratha, who's presiding over the matter, disputed the dates and said Baloyi is putting it to the witness of what has transpired on the 19th. Mngomezulu said the event of assault happened on the 18th and on the 19th of June. Judge Mokgatleng said that but the event of filling station and industrial place, Geninda and witness appeared in the industrial area and asked Baloyi to confirm that. Advocate Mngomezulu told the judge that no, Geninda and the witness showed up at the dumping site, not at the industrial area, and the industrial site is in Germiston on the 24th. The 19th is the dumping site. There's 2 dumping sites. One is in Exp0sing and another one is in Orlando. Judge Ratha then told State Advocate Baloyi to put the versions correctly. Baloyi put it in details how the accused was tortured and assaulted and said his jacket was taken off and Geninda arrived with a white BMW and he was with Mohola and another guy. Advocate then again corrected Baloyi and said in terms of the still site, the version of the accused, where he said he was assaulted for the first time, it was next to the filling station, a place next to a still site in Exp0sing. Judge Mokgatleng was so impatient, shame, with Mngomezulu. Baloyi further explained that the accused was choked and explained the situation of handcuffs. The witness disputed all of that and said that when she left with Geninda, she drove him off to the office from his employer in Carltonville, the accused number 2's working place. From there, she drove straight to Exp0sing and they parted ways with Geninda. There's nothing else that took place where she was involved. Baloyi said on the following day, she booked out accused number 1 and took him to court and returned him just after 12. The witness confirmed it and said she was never anywhere in the garage or a still site. She has no idea what it looks like and what is being said is untruthful. Baloyi continued and said according to the versions of the accused, Mohane drove to Baragwanath on the 19th of June and picked up Colonel Rapadu where he was with the wife and his child. Then Rapadu gave his wife car keys. They then went to Orlando and made a stop where there were ATMs that were no longer working. They then parked their cars and the accused was taken out of the vehicle and assault continued. Geninda and the witness arrived at the scene. Geninda sat on the boat and took out documents and gave Colonel Rapadu, and accused was then forced to sign with thumbprint on those documents. The witness replied and said that is not the truth. She was never at the Baragwanath and Orlando. She wasn't driving a BMW on that day. The first time she met Rapadu was when he came to testify and she doesn't know him prior to that. Mokgatleng was so happy to hear that, or rather relieved that the witness is saying that she only met Rapadu when he was testifying in court. The state prosecutor then asked that does she know a white BMW? The witness said she is now driving a BMW and the accused is now taking chances that on that day she was driving a BMW. The witness is saying now she's driving the BMW, not at that time. How he would have known since he was already arrested. This cop is also taking chances. Hey, what do you think? Judge Ratha said, but the question is that Gininda, the mastermind, was sitting on the BMW's board. As she was there, she said she had to take accused number 2 to Tembisa Magistrate Court. Baloyi asked the witness that when was she allocated the BMW. She said in 2021. Baloyi further asked that what happened after booking back the accused on the 19th of June. She said she went to her office and she received a phone call from Gininda and told him that they have an investigation that they have to perform in booking. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.